Transitioning to an online model can be easy by using the tools in Office 365. Microsoft Teams provides employees, faculty, and students a digitally immersive experience that is easy to use. To start, visit ccbc.edu and click the email link under Faculty and Students tab. Once you click the link, use your single sign-on to access the Microsoft Office portal. You can see Teams located in the top right of your screen. Teams will allow you to chat with other users, create assignments, schedule a meeting, make a phone call, and access files from OneDrive. We encourage you to explore these features to see how they can help you with your online experience. Teams Meetings is a great way to schedule a meeting with colleagues or lecture for your class. To start, you will click the calendar icon on the left. This will pull your Outlook meetings. If you look to the top right, a new meeting can be scheduled to take place at a later date and time. If you click this button, you'll get a set of options to create your meeting. You can set the time zone, name of your meeting, add who should attend, when the meeting will take place. If you have a team already set up, you can pull them in through the channels option, add your location, and some details about your meeting. Once you set the date and time, you can also add if the meeting will be reoccurring. Once you create the meeting, you will see it added to your calendar. This will show you the Teams platform as well as in your Outlook. An important note, the meeting will not start unless the user who created the meeting joins. So remember to click the join link before the meeting starts to open the room for the others. If you miss this step, your attendees will not be able to join the meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you can see who's in attendance, turn off your camera, mute yourself, share items such as your desktop, windows you have open on your desktop, and PowerPoints. There's also a function that allows for a whiteboard. If you click the three dots, Teams offers more features like turning on live captions and recording your meeting. It's a good idea to record all meetings so that you can provide a link to anyone who could not make it at the time of this event. This will work great for faculty who wish to share a lecture on Blackboard. Once your meeting is complete, a link to your meeting will be left in your chat function. Teams also allows you to type conversations with your participants should they not have access to a microphone. We encourage you to use Teams as a way to extend the experience here at CCBC. If you should have any trouble or have questions, be sure to visit Zendesk or email helpdesk@ccbc.edu.